Facing WSL Register Distribution, failed error with code error. I'll guide you through solutions to tackle this issue. Stay tuned for a quick fix. Press Win key plus I to open Settings. Click the Privacy and AMP Security tile. On the left pane, click Windows Security. Now, click Virus and Threat Protection in the list of options. Select the option of Quick Scan and then click Scan Now. Allow the scan to run to completion. You need to be patient because this process can take some time. Press Windows key. Then type, turn Windows features on or off. In the Windows Features windows, locate Windows Subsystem for Linux and check the box next to it to enable it. Click OK. It will automatically search and install some required system files, then ask you to reboot your PC. Press the Windows Start button. Then type Turn Windows Features. Click on the Turn Windows Features on or off application to open it. Now locate Virtual Machine Platform and check the box next to it. This will enable it. Click OK. Press Win key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type this command, then press Enter. Locate the distro folder name in the list of folders. Then when you find the distro folder, right-click on it and select Properties. Now switch to the Security tab. Click on the Advanced button. Check to make sure your account is among the accounts on the list. Press Win key plus R keys to open the Run command box. In the list of services, locate LxssManager. Right-click on it, then click Stop. Wait for a moment, 2 minutes, then right-click on it again and click Start.